Good morning, students. Thank you, students, for clicking on my video. I'm your Nagini ma'am, chemistry mentor. Please watch this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel, students. Thank you, students. Please support me. Right. In today's session, I'm going to discuss about the redox reactions topic, students. How to balance the redox reactions in acidic medium. Okay, now. So here I'm going to discuss 2 to 3 examples, students. Right. Now see Nana, first example, Zn plus HNO3 gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus N2O. Okay, Nama. So first you have to write the oxidation numbers of all the atoms, students, present in the chemical equation. So first, what you have to, here is some rules I am saying, students. Here you have to follow these rules. First one is, what is the first rule? Write oxidation numbers of all the atoms. First write oxidation numbers. Okay, na? Oxidation numbers. So first I am writing the oxidation numbers of all the atoms. Now see here, oxidation number, it is an elementary form. Oxidation number is 0, students. Oxidation number 0. Hydrogen oxidation number plus 1. Oxygen minus 2 oxidation number. Nitrogen you have to find it. So here 1 plus nitrogen plus 3 oxygens are there. 3 into each oxygen minus 2. So you will get 1 plus n minus 6 equal to 0. N is equal to how much, students? Plus 5 oxidation number. And coming to here, Zn plus 2, already oxidation number given, plus 2. And N2O, oxygen oxidation number is minus 2. Nitrogen is how much, students? Here 2n kada, 2n plus oxygen how much, nana? Minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 2n is equal to how much? 2. N is equal to how much, students? Plus 1. So nitrogen oxidation number is plus 1, students. Are you clear how to find it? Understanding, students? Oxidation numbers, oxidation number rules are there, nana. In previous videos I uploaded, nana. Please, once you go through that, then you can easily understand how to find the oxidation numbers of the atoms. Clear this one? Right. Now so first rule 1 completed. Now what is the second rule, students? Identify the increase and decrease in the oxidation number. You have to identify increase in the oxidation number and decrease in the oxidation number. You have to identify, students. Okay, Nama. So left to right, which element oxidation number is increased, which element oxidation number is decreased. After that, you have to balance the equation, students. You have to balance. Okay, na. So you have to balance, Nana. After that, you should balance the equation. Okay, now I am writing the increase in the oxidation number, decrease in the oxidation number. I am finding, students. See here, zinc oxidation number 0, here plus 2. That means zinc oxidation number increases from 0 to plus 2. So this is the rule 1 completed, students. Oxidation numbers over. Rule 1 completed. Next, rule 2, students. What is rule 2, Nana? Increase in the oxidation number, decrease in the oxidation number, and balance the equation. So Zn, I am taking the Zn element, students. Zn. So Zn, no. Zn. Here oxidation number changes from 0 to plus 2, nana. That means oxidation number is increased. How much increased? 2 increased. That's it is oxidation reaction. So 2 increased, students. Here 1 atom, and zinc here also 1 atom is there. So here as it is you keep, nana. How much increased we wrote. Next, decrease in the oxidation number. Hydrogen here left hand side plus 1. Here not there. Next, nitrogen. How much there? Oxidation number here plus 5, here plus 1. That means oxidation number plus 5 to plus 1. What happens, students? It is decreased. Kada? So right here, nitrogen oxidation number, yeah, it is decreased from plus 5 to how much, nana? Plus 5 to plus 1. That means how much decreased, students? 4 decreased. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 decreased. But here if you see nitrogen, here 1 atom is there left hand side, here right hand side 2 nitrogen atoms are there. So that's why you have to multiply with 2, nana, because 2 nitrogen atoms are there. So decrease in the oxidation number, you have to multiply with 2. You will get the value 8. Are you clear, students? Understanding, Nana? So here plus 5 to plus 1, 4 decreased. So but here 2 nitrogen atoms are there. That's why you have to multiply with 2. 4 twos are 8. So now see students, this so increase and decrease in the oxidation number completed. Now you have to balance. That means both, when both are equalized, students, if you multiply this 2 number with 4, you will get the 8, students. Correct or not? If you multiply with 4, you will get the 8. That means the same number you will get. Understanding? Same number. So like that, you have to balance the equation. You have to take this number. Okay, here 8 is there. So when you will get 8 here, if you multiply this oxidation number with 4, that means zinc compounds you have to multiply with 4, then you will get the 8, students. Are okay, Nama? So you have to multiply with 4, students. Clear this one? So zinc compounds you have to multiply with 4, and nitrogen compounds we had to multiply with 2, students. And see here, zinc, here one atom is there, here also one atom is there, so you have to multiply with 4. Okay, Nama? Now what is the rule 3, students? What is the rule? Before that, rule 3, you have to balance this equation. Now see, students, how to balance this one. Zn compound, here Zn there, here Zn there, so both are one atom only. You have to multiply with 4. So I am taking 4 Zn plus, this is nitrogen compound, this is nitrogen containing compound, so you have to multiply with 2, students. So because here 2 nitrogens are there, this as it is you have to write. Here only one nitrogen atom is there, you have to multiply with 2. Are you clear? If only one nitrogen atom is there, you have to multiply with 2, Nana. So that's why 2 moles of HNO3 gives rise to Zn plus 2. Again, zinc containing compound you have to multiply with 4. So that means 4 moles of Zn plus 2 plus N2. Already 2 nitrogen atoms are there. So I'm not changing, as it is I'm writing here. N2O. Clear? So this is the balanced equation. Now rule 3. So what is the rule 3, students? What you have to do in rule 3? What you have to do? So you have to balance all other atoms except hydrogen and oxygen, students. You have to balance all other atoms except hydrogen and this is the balance completed. That means equalize the oxidation numbers, students. Are you clear? So here 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8. This is only second rule completed. Okay, Nama? Second rule completed. Now you have to balance all other atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. So already this equation is balanced except hydrogen and oxygen. See here 4Z and 4Z. That means then what is this is the rule 3, students. That means we balanced. That means by using these coefficients we balanced this equation. Okay, except hydrogen and oxygen. So that is the rule number 3. That means balance all other atoms except hydrogen and oxygens. Balance all other atoms. Clear? All other atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. Clear? Except hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. Now what is the fourth one, students? What is the fourth rule we have to follow? Add water. Okay, now just add water, students. Water, and next add H plus ions. Add water when, students? To balance oxygens. So to balance oxygen atoms, Nana, you have to add water. To balance hydrogens, so here to balance hydrogen, students, to balance hydrogens you have to add H plus ions. Add H plus ions to balance hydrogens. Are you clear? To balance hydrogens. Okay, now I'm balancing the oxygen atom. See here, left hand side, how many oxygens are there? 2 3s are 6 oxygens are there. 6 oxygens. Here right hand side, how many oxygens are there, students? Only one is there. Only one oxygen is the right hand side. So how many water molecules you have to add? That means where oxygen number is deficient, there you have to add the water molecules. Here only one oxygen is there, so still 5 oxygens required. That's why I'm taking the 5 moles of water molecules. Are you clear? So that's why to this equation I'm adding first oxygens balancing, students. First oxygen. So 2 moles of HNO3 gives rise to 4 moles of Zn plus 2 plus N2O. plus N2O plus how many oxygen, how many water molecules you have to add, students? Here 6, so here 1. 6 minus 1, 5 kada. So 5 water molecules should add. Clear? Now you have to balance the hydrogens. How many hydrogens are there here? 2 hydrogens are there here. 2 hydrogens. Clear? 2 hydrogens. Right hand side, 5 twos are 10 hydrogens are there. So that's why here deficient hydrogens. That means where deficient there, that side you have to add. So here hydrogens, to balance hydrogens you have to add H plus ions. Okay, Nama. So here to balance hydrogens, here 8 hydrogens are deficient. So that's why you have to add 8 H plus ions left hand side. So add this one. That means 10 minus 2, how much, students? 8. 8 hydrogens, 8 H plus ions should add. So final equation is 4 moles of Zn plus 2 moles of HNO3 plus 8 moles of H plus ions. Clear? And 4 moles of Zn plus 2 plus N2O plus 5 moles of water. Clear, students? This is the balanced equation. Clear? First you have to write the oxidation numbers, Nana. Next you have to find increase in the oxidation number, decrease in the oxidation number. If 2 atoms are there, here 1, here 2 there, that's you have to multiply with 2, you will get one value. So this value also, that means zinc also should get the same value, 8. When it will get, if you multiply with 4, you will get 8. That means zinc compounds you have to multiply with 4, nitrogen compound you have to multiply with 2, students. That means all we should not do. Okay, now where nitrogen's one atom is there, that side only have to multiply with 2. Okay, Nama. Here 2 nitrogens as it is we wrote. Balance this equation. And next after what, Nana? Hydrogens we have to balance. First oxygens, next hydrogens have to balance. Clear this one? Now see, students, one more reaction I am going to discuss. Fourth reaction. Next example, students. See, students, how to balance this equation. See here, now I am writing first, what is the rule 1, students? Write oxidation numbers, right? First oxidation numbers, students, manganese. Manganese, you have to find it. So I am taking in place of manganese, instead of manganese, X nana. 4 oxygens are there. 4 into oxygen, oxidation number -2. Here charge is -1. Then X minus 8 is equal to -1. Then X is equal to -1 plus 8. X is equal to plus 7. So this oxidation number is +7. Now take H2S. Hydrogen oxidation number is always +1. You have to find sulfur oxidation number. So 2 into hydrogen, how much, Nana? +1. Sulfur I am taking as X equal to 0. That means X is equal to -2. So what is the oxidation number of sulfur? -2. And sulfur, it is the elementary form. Its oxidation number is 0. Already Mn also given +2. Right. Now what you have to do? You have to identify increase and decrease in the oxidation numbers. Now see, students, here manganese oxidation number +7 to +2. That means manganese oxidation number is increased in, see here, what happened, Nana? Manganese oxidation number +7 to +2. That means how much value decreased, students? 5 decreased. Okay, here how many manganese atoms are there? 1. Here also 1. So no problem, write as it is. Next, Nana, which atom oxidation number changed, students? Sulfur changed. So that means here sulfur oxidation, oxygen -2 only. Here remaining all are same only. Only sulfur changed, -2 0. So here oxidation number -2 to 0. That means increased oxidation number. That means 2 increased. But here sulfur, here also one atom, here also one atom, no problem. Okay. Now both both values when they are equal, students, when they equalize, students, you have to multiply with this value 5 into 2, this value into 5, then you will get 10 10. Correct or not? Are you understanding, students? So this value you should get the same value. So that means here you have to, that means this value have to multiply with 2 and 2 value multiply with 5, then you will get the 10 10. Okay, Nama? So 10 10 we got. Now see, students, manganese compounds you have to multiply with 2, Nana. Sulfur containing compounds you should multiply with 5. Now balance the equation. So manganese containing compound, here manganese manganese there, here manganese there. So that's why this compound you had to multiply with 2. So right, Nana, balance 2 moles of MnO4 minus plus hydrogen sulfide. Here sulfur containing compound you have to multiply with 5. So that's why here also 5. 5 moles of H2S gives rise to how many moles, students? 5 moles of sulfur. How many moles of manganese? You have to multiply with 2 kada. So 2 moles of Mn plus 2. Clear this one? 2 moles of Mn plus 2. Okay. Now you have to balance the oxygen atoms, Nana. See here, left hand side, how many oxygen atoms are there? 8 oxygens are there. Okay, na. Right hand side, no oxygens. Clear? No oxygens. Understanding, students? No oxygens. So that's why right hand side you have to add 8 water molecules. Now write, students, equation 2 moles of MnO4 minus 5 moles of H2S gives rise to 5 moles of sulfur, 2 moles of Mn plus 2, and how many oxygens you should write? How many water molecules you have to add? 8 water molecules, because 8 oxygens are there. To balance oxygens you have to add water molecules. Where deficiency of oxygen is present, there you have to add. So here oxygens, no, one oxygen also not there, so that's the 8 water molecules added. Now you have to balance hydrogen, students. How many hydrogens are there? 5 twos are 10 hydrogens here left hand side, here 10 hydrogens are there, and here right hand side 8 twos are 16 hydrogens are there. Clear? 16 hydrogens are there. That means here 6 hydrogens less, deficient there. So that's why, okay, so that's why you have to add how many H plus ions, students? 6 H plus ions. This side less there na. So here only 16 hydrogens, here 10 only there. So that's why you have to add 6 H plus. So final equation is what you can write, students? Final equation 2 moles of MnO4 minus 5 moles of H2S plus 6 moles of H plus gives rise to 5 moles of S, 2 moles of Mn plus 2 plus 8 moles of water. Clear, students? So like this you have to balance the redox reaction. Nana. Understanding, students? I hope you like this video, students. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, students. Thank you very much, Nana.